Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you or be discussing with you how to go Instagram live. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. Now, if you want to go live here in the Instagram, well, there are a few things that you may want to do here. Now, first things first, you want to open up Instagram here and access the account that you want to go live on. Now, at the bottom right, you want to go and click on your profile. Now, at the top right, go and click on the 3-bar icon. Now, inside your settings and activity here, what you need to do is you want to go and scroll down a bit until you see the section for changing your account type. Now, usually it's going to be under your insights and tools. It's going to be account type and tools. Let's go and choose this one. Now, from here, you want to go and choose account type. Now, from here, you want to go and choose the option here for professional. So in this case, you need to choose professional in order for you to change your account type. Now, in this case, you should be able to choose the switch to professional account, as you can see right now. Let's go ahead and click on next. And in here, you can go and choose either one of these artists, blogger, or whatever you want. Let's go and click on to switch to professional account. Now, this will also ask you if you want to be a business or a creator. I'm going to choose creator. Let's go and click on next. And from here, let's go and choose the continue or not now. So if you want to simplify your access. Now you can go and complete your profile here. But for now, let's go and click on next at the top left. Now, once you've done that and you now have a professional account, once you click on the plus button at the top right of the screen here, you should be able to see the live option. Now, if not, you need to close Instagram here and you want to reopen Instagram again. And go and click on the profile at the bottom right. As you can see, it's now updated. Go and click on the plus button at the top left here. And from here on, you should see the live. Now, the thing with this one is if your account is just quite brand new or your account is not that established, you may not be able to see the live functionality immediately here in your screen. Now, just to give you an idea, I'm going to switch over to my other account here. So you may need to basically make your account in let's just say in professional mode for quite a while now, like at least like 30 days. So if you click on the plus button, you should see the live functionality here, or you need at least 1,000 followers in order for you to start going live. So in this case, once you click on live here, this will start the process. You can go and click on live here. As you can see, you can go and change a few things. Click on the live button to see the center of your screen to go live, and you should see a countdown on your screen. And you could also add some filters if you want to, or even switch the camera if you want to use your front camera. But that's about it. So, for this video, hopefully hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.